Hey everyone, I have another unboxing. This one is for a 2 to 4 girl and it's a mermaid theme. This is the folder that I will be putting in her box. I'll just show you. I just printed some pictures off of Pinterest that go with her theme. And there's a number chart, tracing, and then she has notebook paper in the back here. And then I will include our message on the back of her folder. Now Sharon from East Coast Stories, she was saying how she doesn't like to decorate her plastic lids because if they needed to use this to carry water, they would have to take that off. So I thought that was a really good point. So I decided that I'm not gonna decorate my plastic lids. I'll just save them the step of having to take it off, and I'll just put it in their folder. So here at the top, I don't know if you can see, that's how it looks. She has just some papers here that she can color, that I put together. This is a clipboard, and it just has a little kitty mermaid on it. And inside, she has some stickers and some more notebook paper in here. At the top here, she has a t-shirt, and I love the humor of this. It says, "See you later," with a little seahorse. She has a snack cup. Inside there's a scrunchie and a face scrubby. And then she has a little, I guess that's a seahorse, I'm not sure, but I thought it was cute, so I included it. And she can take a little animal out of there. And then she has 2 pairs of underwear. On the side of her box, she has just a little notebook. And then she has this little doll that I wrapped. I put her handkerchief around it, so I thought maybe she could use it for a blankie. And this is her little mermaid doll. Her soap saver, I like these because they can put it on their wrist and not lose it. And I will put her soap inside of it. She has some colored pencils here. These are just extras. She has a little hair bow that has mermaids on it, and fish and bubbles. And these are her cute shoes with the little seashells. Inside she's got some nice Oshkosh socks in there. She has a tote bag that has coconuts on it. And this is her little stuffy. It's squishy, and she could also use it as a ball, but it's a little octopus, and I got this at Dollarama. She has this little toy car, and this little person in the back has their arms raised up like they're riding a roller coaster. She has a little flute on a string. This is her pencil pouch. It has sequins, so she can flip it over on both sides. And then inside, she has a sharpener, 2 sharpeners, a couple of erasers. She has her Pipsqueak markers, and this one is Plum Crazy, and this one is Copper Penny. I love the names on these markers. And then she just has some more colored pencils, and some fun pencils there. A comb, a Little Mermaid pouch, and inside this I put a little treasure for her to find. Just a little necklace, and there's a few more markers inside of there for her to color this mermaid pouch. She has some stickers, and there's little seahorses on there. Another washcloth, and then she has a cute little toothbrush with a silicone saver. And then she has a mermaid caddy. And inside there's some pieces of paper, stickers, paints, and crayons in here for her. And then the last thing in here, just some school grade pencils and more fun pencils for her. And I think that is everything. Oh, and she has this little Canada sticker. And that's everything in my Mermaid 2 to 4 box for a little girl. I hope you enjoyed this box, and I would really appreciate it if you would like this video, if you liked it, and consider subscribing, as I'll be putting more content out. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.